So he's a civilian now. He climbs into the vehicle, and the police vehicle, and he's driving the police vehicle into the premises.
Is this the vehicle that you said was Stolz's?
It's Stolz's official vehicle that's been assigned to her. Stolz is the lady that walks now here in the front.
Sorry, please say that again.
Stolz, the lady walking towards Willem now, is Krisha Lee Stolz.
So, then a member of the EMPD?
She was a member of the EMPD till she resigned.
Okay.
And then the individual with his back to us is the one I assume is Willem, because they speak about him and that he's the one being accosted on the premises.
Okay.
I was hoping, Commissioner, that you would not identify the occupants of the property.
Sorry.
Because in your statement you mentioned that the whistleblower that provided you the tape was killed shortly after these officers were granted bail.
That's correct.
I think just for the safety of the individuals, can we not mention their names, please? Is that in order?
Commissioner Khumalo is pointing out, and I think you had indicated at the start of your testimony in respect of this matter that the complainant expressed that he doesn't have a trust of the police and didn't want to engage. And in light of your testimony that your informant, Hanegom, was killed shortly after they were granted bail, that perhaps it might be best not to say as little as possible about the identity of the people affected by this operation.
Sorry, Commissioner.
Thank you.
She asked where's the warehouse, and then the person showed her towards where the warehouse is. So they ask if that person indicates he's the brigadier, and then he says no, he's still sitting in the car at the back.
Now, coming in from the direction of the gate towards the camera, I think it's yet another person who seems to have a light-colored top. Is that an EMPD member or another civilian, or you don't know?
That's also an EMPD member.
Okay.
Just in civilian clothes. That one on the right-hand side is an EMPD member in civilian clothes.
Okay.
Okay, so hulle was dan, nou kyk, wat Clement in die kar het. Hoe lang het jy al daar gestaan? 'n paar minute.
Today they speak to the passenger in the back of the car. So Kershaw went to the passenger door at the back and she opened it, and the driver in the orange shirt, he climbed out and opened the door for her. And now Kershaw is speaking to the person in the back of the car, which when he climbs out, we can immediately recognize him, but it's Brigadier Mkonasi.
Now, the driver in the orange top that you just referenced.
He's also a member.
Also a member of the MPD, thank you.
And have you been able to identify this vehicle who it's allocated to?
The vehicle is also allocated to the specialized services, but we can identify them.
Who the driver was?
Yes.
Thank you.
praat hulle met hom agter in die kar. So hulle was 3 in die kar.
So the person that now climbed, as you can see from the head and the side profile, that we know him it's Brigadier Mkhwanazi.
Okay.
So er was 4 in my kar. Hy loop daar, loop 2 daar na die Wera se kante.